The health struggle of Mark Consuelos. With Kelly Ripa's steadfast backing, anything can happen. One of America's most beloved couples, Mark Consuelos and Kelly Ripa, have been for a long time. Mark, the charming actor whose resume includes appearances on talk shows, soap operas, and successful plays. Kelly, the witty TV anchor adored by millions, has long appeared unbeatable. By working together, they create a lasting impact on the entertainment industry and a loving family. A relationship marked by mutual regard, humor, and chemistry. The easygoingness and smiles belied darker intentions, though. Everything they had worked for was upended when Mark had an unforeseen health crisis. While this tempest was raging, Kelly made a choice that would change their lives forever. The start was subtle. On days when Mark seemed particularly exhausted, he skipped a couple of public events. Rumors started circulating, but no one could have predicted the truth. Mark was silently coping with a long-term health issue that needed constant attention and support. Kelly had a successful career going on at the moment. Kelly and Mark's live show, her production work, and her family obligations kept her very busy. Her focus changed abruptly, though, as the gravity of Mark's diagnosis set in. She didn't need a word from a network boss to slow down. For whatever reason, she decided to. To make more time for him, she rearranged her schedule, cut back on travel, and declined certain high-profile possibilities. It was no easy choice for a lady with her legendary tenacity and inexhaustible vitality. Years of professional progress made possible by rising early, enduring live television pressure, and continuously inventing oneself were purposefully halted due to love. Kelly reportedly became Mark's rock, according to those close to the pair. Even on the worst of days, she managed to bring a smile on everyone's face by showing up on time for her medical appointments and meticulously planning her itinerary. When it comes to Mark's feelings for Kelly, he has never been shy. However, his appreciation hit a new peak at this period. In private, he has confided in friends about the 2 times she rescued him. Once upon a time, when she entered his life, and again, as she continues to support him throughout his health journey. This has been an unseen but courageous chapter for a man who has spent his career in front of cameras. According to those who have had a glimpse, the details are what really make a statement. Things like when Kelly puts her hand on his, whispers encouraging words when he's having a bad day, and keeps a close eye on him in public. It takes a strong person to care for a loved one in this manner. Physical strength, emotional fortitude, and mental endurance of a certain kind are all required, and it puts even the strongest relationships to the test. Kelly has endured restless nights, challenging medical decisions, and the ongoing emotional burden of uncertainty. Still, she has accomplished it all with poise, resolve, and faith in their future. The love story of Consuelos Ripa has always captivated audiences, spanning from their impromptu romance to their wedding in Las Vegas. However, this chapter stands out. The glitz is unimportant. It's about sticking to your word, no matter the circumstances, and being resilient in the face of adversity. Friends and family of the couple say that Mark is bravely tackling whatever comes their way, supported by the love of their children and Kelly's constant presence. As a stark contrast to our achievement-obsessed culture, Kelly's decision stands out. Making small, unnoticed sacrifices for the people we care about can often feel like the biggest accomplishments. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications if this story has moved you. We share more touching stories, updates, and moments that show us the power of love through trials and successes.